Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok ads library in just a few minutes. This tool is incredibly powerful and can give you tons of insights and inspiration for your marketing strategy. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate the TikTok ads library. First, let's start with how you get there. Open your browser and type in TikTok ads library. Should be the first result that pops up. Then once you're inside, the first important step is choosing your target country. This is extremely useful if you're researching ads for a specific region. Using the TikTok ads library isn't just about watching ads, it's about analyzing them. You get a clear look at which styles, format, and messages are resonating with audiences in your selected country. When browsing through ads, focus on the key elements. What kind of music or sounds are being used, what visuals or editing styles stand out, and how are brands hooking the viewers in the first few seconds. These details will give you actionable ideas that you can apply to your own TikTok campaign. Keep in mind that what works in one country might fail in another. Different cultures respond differently to tone, humor, visuals, and even pacing. That's why selecting the right country earlier is so important. It ensures that you see ads that match the audience you're trying to reach. And here's a bonus tip. Stay alert for trends. TikTok is a trend-driven platform. The ad library let you spot trending styles, transitions, music, and concepts before they become oversaturated. And remember, using the TikTok ads library isn't just about scrolling through ads. It's about understanding why certain ads perform well. Analyze them, take notes, test different searches, and let the creativity you find inspire your next winning campaign. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.